Ooh, yes, yes. Yes, queen, yes. What is this, Sadie Baker? Sad Baker? Sadie Baker? What the hell is that? Oh, Sadistic Baker. Yeah, there you go. Sadistic Baker. A chopper holding everybody up, or a Harley, or a cruiser. I don't know what it is. It's all the same, man. If it's not a sports bike, who gives an F? There's a car tailgating me in the back, in the back. There's a car tailgating me in the back, because it is tailgating us. Why must you come behind me, truck? Give me space. Let me be. Let me live. Let me be. Let me live. Let me be. Let me live. Let me breathe. Let me popping in. Turbo. We have not went against the Macan Turbo. Actually, we kind of did. I think 3 times. But it wasn't really that. It tried to catch him and do something, but it couldn't. But no, I haven't made love to a Macan Turbo from Jet Stop. I would love to do that. Go ahead and make it happen. I would like a sex tape with Nimbus and a Macan Turbo. Oh, so cold. Fingers. My fingers. Adorator. Adorate is going straight. Oh, so cold. Oh, so cold. My fingers. Oh, fingers dying here, Nick. Man, if we had a supermoto, we would take it on the bike trail. I'd follow them hoes up. Ooh, and that grumble. That grumble. Once again, this truck chooses to be behind me. Like, go to hell, man. My fingers. Oh, why so cold? Why so cold? Fingers are killing me, man. But we must be out here. We must train Broly to be the legendary Super Saiyan one day. It has the potential, but it has to be unlocked. I wouldn't say she's a legendary Super Saiyan right now, but she will be. For that is our goal. For that is what we live for. Is to have Broly become something the world has never seen before. A Super Saiyan so legendary. A Super Saiyan so glorious that the other Super Saiyans and Saiyans die with agony. Ooh, yes. Yes, queen, yes. Broly is heating up like a mug. Warming me up like a mug. I was thinking one day we'll have an uncensored channel where I just curse the hell up. You guys think I'm funny now? You haven't seen anything yet. Let me tell them dirty jokes. Let me curse up your family. And I'll show you what true comedy gold is. Uncensored, riding insane, uncensored. Awesome. Below it. You like that, huh? You like that, huh, Matrix? Oh, Matrix? How did they take that name, Matrix? I for sure thought that would be copyrighted, branded, patented. That was nasty. That's why I love going where I go usually on Nimbus, Supercar Alley. It's because there's so much higher chances of you finding a hottie in a bikini, you know, or anything along the lines of that. Over here, you just find, that was scary. Over here, you just find, you know, old people. And Lexus, that was a real dick move. But at least you didn't get in my lane, so I'm fine with that, but still a dick move. Matrix didn't like it. He about to go all Neo up in your booty, because he's alone. Man, my fingers. I love saying that. Alright, we got some cheeks. Men cheeks! My eyes, they deceive me. But at least it was a puppy. Me okay with that, Why am I going this way, man? Because it's so cold to do a U-turn. That's why, Saiyan, that's why. Why can't I just man up for once? Oh, my fingers. Oh, it's because I stay in this position, and then once I get out of that position, it hurts. It hurts. We got a rider up there, but he's on a chopper. So is that really a... I saw brakes. Please, people don't pull out. The place that I want to go is going to be so packed. So packed. We shall decide very soon because there's no cars behind us. Should we go there? It's a nice road over there. I can go there. It'll be fun to go there. It's just that going there takes like a while to get there. which I don't mind. It's just, it's in an area where there's like elderly people everywhere. And being around elderly people really, you know, hurts my soul. I haven't decided. This guy might pull out, so both hands on the wheel. Kamikaze this. Kamikaze her. Ooh, she likes it, she wants it. Or we could say F it and turn back, hit that road a couple more times. Flash. Nice. Look at that, oh my god. And out of all that, almost like 90% of the people old. Not even 90, I want to say 99% people old. Maybe not 99, 95% people old. Old, wrinkly butt old. So do I want to go through all this traffic, or would I rather not? My fingers. Oh man, there's so many cars. I can't. I wanted to just go there and make a Yui. Up in the club, man. No es bueno. Si es fuego. I don't know what that means. What up, girl? Oh, that was it. You know what? We're gonna edit that part out. The girl I just said hello to, because the comment I made, once again, is too raw for this channel. As much as I would like to go there for that beautiful road, it's just not worth it with all this traffic. And it's not that a bad thing, is that I also can't lane split because these mirrors can't fold in. So sometimes I can lane split, sometimes I can't. Going there's a lot of traffic there too. So that's more like a weekday thing. And right now, with my fingers and stuff, I don't want to do that. I just want to ride. Ooh, I forgot. Where is it hot on the bike? I can keep my hands. Oh. That was a horn, my bad. But like, where on the bike is it warm and hot and cozy? And please don't tell me it's only on the throttle side. Are you kidding me? This bike is not hot anywhere? Kinda here. I kinda found it. Alright, we scrunch your hand on the frame of the bike. You know that silver part that everybody hates on this Ducati V4? And they're always like, why is it? Oh, that is messed up move by a fire truck. He just swapped lanes without no indicator or anything. Oh, my bad, my bad. That was a F move, dog. You're a firefighter, man. You should be following the rules. And being as huge as you are, you should, you know, put your blinker on. Nah, but like, what part of my bike is warm? Can't tell. Can't tell. My fingers. Yeah, so I'm guessing it's only on the throttle side because that's where the exhaust is. So this side of the bike, the right side of the bike, this side of the bike, down there is where it's all warm and cuddly and stuff. So I don't know where I can put my hand to warm it up, which I never thought would be an issue. With the R6, you can just shove it up anywhere and it warms the hell out of you because that bike is like, it's like right in the heater, all right? In the cold, it's super nice. In the hot, it's nice, but it also kind of hurts sometimes, even though we're full leathers. But it's never like a bother or a nuisance kind of thing. Yeah. Yes, queen, yes! I'm gonna sneeze. Bless me. Thank you for anybody who said bless you. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, we're toe to toe. We're always on the